Hey, so I'm Toby. I'm a software engineer and a system integration specialist. Over the past 20 years, I have worked on server software, embedded devices, and with the cloud. Now, some of the projects I worked on most recently had one interesting thing in common. They were not just about building an application in the widest sense. They were also about building and modifying the operating system itself to suit a particular purpose. Complex software stacks are not deployed with an installation wizard anymore. They come prepackaged in form of operating system images that are flashed to a device or deployed to the cloud as a virtual machine or a container. So in a sense, you can say that the operating system itself has become the new app. Now, I don't know if you have done this recently, but customizing an operating system is actually not that simple. Companies who need to do that to deliver their own solutions, they have to invest quite a bit of resources to do that. So we set out to make it easy. And we're doing this by giving you two things. First of all, we're giving you an operating system that is actually easy to customize, go figure. One that scales up and down to any size and device. And two, we're giving you a set of tools that makes customizing these operating systems very, very simple. We'll be giving away a basic version of the OS and tools for free, so you can try it and see how easy it is. And when we have you hooked, we will charge you for support, access to premium features. We will provide infrastructure as a service, and we'll do consulting. This solution targets the R&D departments of all the companies that build devices, basically. It's a slight exaggeration, not a big one. Or companies that need to deploy customized operating system images to the cloud. I'm a single founder, pre-launch. I'm mainly here to get good connections. If you're an investor and you find this interesting, I'd like to hear from you. When the product is out and I can show you some traction, I'll get back. Thank you very much.
Okay.